Did you know that a technology originally developed by NASA to keep astronauts' bones strong in space is now available for in-home wellness? It's called PEMF, or pulsed electromagnetic field therapy, and it's changing the way people recover, sleep, and feel energized. PEMF stands for pulsed electromagnetic field therapy. It works by sending gentle, low-frequency electromagnetic waves into your body. It reaches right down to the cellular level. Think of it like recharging your phone, but biologically. Every cell in your body has an electrical charge. When cells are stressed, inflamed, or aging, that charge weakens. PEMF pulses help restore your cell's natural energy, supporting your body's own healing mechanisms. Your body runs on electricity, literally. Nerve signals, heart rhythm, brain waves, it's all electrical. PEMF therapy sends controlled electromagnetic pulses that boost cellular energy, or ATP, and enhance blood flow. The goal? To help your body do what it's naturally designed to do: heal, recover, and perform at its best. First, let's talk about pain. PEMF can help reduce joint and muscle pain, back discomfort, and post-workout soreness. It works by improving circulation and reducing inflammatory stress at the source of the discomfort. Next is faster recovery. From injury support to post-surgery healing, PEMF stimulates tissue repair. It accelerates the body's natural healing process, helping you get back on your feet much faster. Third, sleep support. PEMF can calm the stress response and support your parasympathetic nervous system. This helps regulate your sleep cycles, leading to deeper, more restorative rest every night. Fourth, energy. By boosting mitochondrial efficiency, PEMF improves cellular metabolism. This translates to better overall energy and higher performance throughout your entire day. Finally, circulation. Better blood flow delivers more oxygen and nutrients to your vital tissues. This supports brain clarity, physical endurance, and a renewed sense of overall vitality. PEMF is used in both medical and wellness spaces. In clinics, it supports bone healing with FDA-cleared tech. At home, it's for optimization and longevity. It's non-invasive, drug-free, and safe when used correctly. But remember, it's not a miracle cure or a replacement for medical treatment. Results take time. In short, PEMF supports cellular repair, improves circulation, and boosts your natural energy. If you want to learn more about wellness tips and cutting-edge tech, like and subscribe for more. Let me know which topics you want me to cover next. See you in the next video.